Welcome to the ATM. How can I help you? Ooh, who next on the list? Who next? Welcome to the ATM. How can I help you? Insufficient funds. No, I got my money. Let's try this shit again. No, I ain't got no money for you. Did you pay your rent? I don't think you paid your rent for last month or this month. No, ma'am, Pam. Okay, and first of all, how you speaking to me? I ain't about to be arguing with a damn cartoon ATM situation. Can you give me my money so I can go? Did you pay your rent? I don't think you paid your rent for last month or this month. No, ma'am, Pam. I mean, I can easily just call somebody to come fix it. I don't give a damn.
Look, I just need my money so I can go ahead and go enjoy myself and have a good time.
But while you trying to have somebody fix me, you need to fix yourself too, because at the end of the day, you did not pay your rent.
I always pay my bills. What you mean? And even if I didn't, what I got to do with you?
No money because you do not have any money.
No, it ain't got nothing to do with you.
You up here trying to front in front of everybody. You know damn well you ain't got no money.
Oh.
This ATM is no longer in service. If you feel you reached an error, please don't come back again. Next!
Listen, can I just please get my money out so that I can go on about my day?
In front of everybody. You know damn well
for
you
real,
ain't got no
come on.
money.
I got things to do. You up here playing, come on.
Well, I'm sorry. Your property management company hired me to not let your ass get no more money out because they told me that you was spending money on unnecessary things and you weren't paying your rent. So, therefore, I cannot help you. You need to go pay them people. Ma'am, you need to go pay them people at the end of the day. I don't care that you looking around, smiling and cheesing at everybody. You broke at the end of the day. No, ma'am, Pam, I cannot help you. You do not have any money. Go pay your, I'm finna get loud now. Go pay your rent. Go, ma'am, go.
All right. Shh.
Well, I'm sorry. Your property management company hired me to not let your ass get no more money out because they told me that you was spending money on unnecessary things and you weren't paying your rent. So, therefore, I cannot help you.
Give me back my damn money. You gonna give me my damn money.